A medical trial is underway right now and showing promise for a groundbreaking mechanical heart that could be a game changer for those in need of a new heart.
So listen to these numbers. Last year, only 4,200 people in the U.S. got heart transplants, despite an estimated 250,000 who need one. Sherman Chow introduces us to the first patient to undergo the procedure, along with a well-known Houstonian who's supporting the research.
Atras Mack, a man with a big heart, housing, feeding, and helping those in need. But he also has heart problems. Mack is not shy, sharing a lot about his health on social media.
My stomach's real sore from the cut.
He recently had open heart surgery, like 3 of his siblings. It started with his sister when she was just a child.
Way back in the 60s when she was 11, 12 years old, and my brother died of congestive heart failure. My other sister, Mary, has had valve replacements, so it's congenital.
No surprise then, years ago, Jim and Linda McInvale were the first major investors in a new kind of mechanical heart developed with the Texas Heart Institute in Houston.
There would be no BiVACOR if it wasn't for us, because it's a $1 million to 1 venture. Of course, I've been known to gamble a little bit.
Their $8 million gamble appears to be paying off.
I knew something was wrong when I couldn't put on my steel-toe boots.
Batson Avey, a truck driver from Hockley, had congestive heart failure. As he awaited a human heart transplant, Batson, like many patients, became too sick for a conventional ventricular assist device which attaches to the human heart. Instead, Batson's entire heart needed to be removed and replaced with this new kind of mechanical heart.
That had only been tested by animals. Cows, horses.
Doctors were asking Batson to be the first human ever to use the BiVACOR device.
It fits inside the human chest like this, weighs just under 1.5 pounds, so is slightly heavier than the human heart. It's made out of titanium, has no valves, and what's inside is a revolutionary design.
Dr. Joseph Rogers, CEO of the Texas Heart Institute, is the principal investigator in the human trials.
There's only one moving part, and it's a spinning disc inside the pump that balances the circulation between the right side of the heart and the left side of the heart. That spinning disc is suspended in a strong electromagnet.
Batson's wife Ruby says they put their trust in science and faith.
We just ask God to touch the doctor's hand.
In July, doctors implanted the BiVACOR heart in Batson at the Texas Medical Center, making him patient 1 in the FDA clinical trials. And even on his first walk in the hospital, Batson felt a huge improvement.
Before the transplant, sir, how far were you able to go on this trip?
5 or 6 feet.
Oh, really? Yeah, wow.
All mechanical hearts right now are merely bridges buying patients time until a human heart transplant. And that's what happened for Batson. They typically last about 12 years. So if BiVACOR can really make a permanent artificial heart, it'll be a game changer. FDA has now greenlit the next phase of clinical trials. Sherman Chow, KHOU 11 News.
Houston, always at the forefront of modern medicine.
One of the advantages of living here.
So fortunate are we.
We are.